How to add click to call button on Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a call button or a click to action button into your Google Sites. So the process is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to find as you can see these specific websites that we have created. So we are going basically to select the website, and then we are going to wait for the editor to load all the elements that we have on the website. So we are going basically here to see that we are going to have the website loading, still loading, but it doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to head over the prepared parts. So let's say that we want to add a call to action button. Basically, we're going to head over the right side of the screen and we can go ahead and have button. So I can go ahead and integrate it within any place that I want. So only things I need is to name that action button or call to action button and also put a link for it. Let's say that we're going to put here, click here. For example, like that, or click here, or click, for example, to buy. So we are going to, or click to download, for example, I don't know here, maybe you are going to put directly download. If you're going to have here a digital file, I can go ahead and click on the link, and then I can either select a page for that specific maybe specific file, or I can go ahead and put a whole page or a URL. I click only on insert, and as you can see, this is our button. I can go ahead and integrate it into different sections. So as you can see, it is going to be detached from here. I can take this button because it is going to have a whole section for it. I can go ahead and take it wherever I want. So I want maybe to put it here. So the goal from this is going to let you see that we can go ahead and have the button integrated in wherever situation that we want. If I want to put it here this small, I can go ahead and do that. But if I want to make it larger, I can go ahead also and do that. And the placement of the button, I can control it however I want. So I can integrate it within the image, up top, or I can go ahead and attach something out of it. So basically I can go ahead and detach this anchor. This text also could be detached. So basically I can go ahead and click or press Ctrl Z like that, and boom. So I can go ahead and take only the button wherever I want. So make sure that you're going to select the button by clicking once. For example, I can go ahead and click on once, so it is going to select all the section, twice to select the button, and here you have it. Now let's say that I want this button to take us to another page, not the PDF or the internal page, but another one like Canva. So I can go ahead and head over canva.com or whatever website. I'm going to copy this URL. For the link, I'm going to paste it here, update, and it is going to take the turn here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.